Biting the bullet, facing challenges head-on. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard before: biting the bullet. This expression is widely used in English to describe a particular attitude or action in facing difficulties. Let's explore what it means, its origin, and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. The phrase, biting the bullet, refers to accepting something difficult or unpleasant that one must endure. When someone bites the bullet, they decide to face a challenging situation bravely and endure the pain or discomfort without avoiding it. It's about mustering up courage and dealing with the problem head-on, rather than trying to escape it. The origin of biting the bullet is quite fascinating and dates back to the days before modern anesthesia. It is believed that during surgical procedures or when a soldier was wounded in battle, they were given a bullet to bite on to bear the pain. The bullet served as a form of distraction and a way to prevent screaming or biting the tongue. This historical context highlights the essence of enduring pain with courage, which is at the core of the phrase's meaning today. Biting the bullet can be used in various contexts, from personal challenges to professional hurdles. Here are a few examples. Facing a fear. I'm terrified of public speaking, but I have to bite the bullet and give a presentation next week. Dealing with unpleasant tasks. I've been putting off cleaning the garage for months. It's time to bite the bullet and just do it. Making difficult decisions. After months of deliberation, I finally bit the bullet and quit my job to pursue my passion. In conclusion, biting the bullet is a powerful phrase that encapsulates the spirit of bravery and endurance in the face of adversity. It reminds us that sometimes, the best way to overcome a challenge is to face it directly, with courage and determination. We hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase confidently in your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to bite the bullet when life throws challenges your way.